This video is about ordering a canvas wall print from a photo in Google Photos. So Jim and I are proud members of Toastmasters, and I really like this photo of us at a regional Toastmasters event. I want a photo to hang on the wall. This is on a Samsung Android, although it works just the same on a phone, and you can do it on the computer as well, but this is a Samsung. I click the three dots, order photo, and I can choose a photo book, a print, or a canvas print. Canvas print is what I'm talking about. It gives me a visual representation and it shows me the different sizes involved. I can see that I'm going to need to crop this photo first. So I'm going to X out of here, don't save the draft, and then looking at this photo, edit and crop. And I will choose a 5x4. I think that's going to be the best. And then I can position it. I want to see our feet and the whole sign. That looks good. Save. Now I go back to the three dots and order photo and canvas print. 11x14 and vertical. So that was coming out horizontal. No, I want it vertical. I want to see our whole bodies. And that looks good. Then next, and I'll tell it to wrap around the corners in black. I can preview and see what that looks like. That means when I get it mounted on a wooden frame, the edges will be black. I can check out. It asks me for $36. I buy it and I give them an address and I will receive this print in the mail and hang it on my wall.